You know I come from a city of sorrow, man. Ugly introduction, red snow, heartache.
YouTube, it's your boy Rico the Waver. We back again with another video, and I just wanted to tell y'all real quick. I know I'm talking real fast. I just wanted to let y'all know, I got cut down with a 2, a little real low 2. It really looked like a 1 because I had them, cut it real down so my hair will last longer. But basically, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get better, deeper connections, how to make your waves pop. How to make them pop out and stand out more, because I know a lot of y'all waves don't really stand out like that when y'all get to a certain amount of weak woof and stuff like that. For one, a number 1 rule, you always need you a plastic bag. Now I don't have me a plastic bag at the moment, but you're gonna need you a plastic bag when woofing, when through all stages. You need you a plastic bag or either a lay down G. That's gonna help you with laying down your hair and making them look more defined, and as far as having them just pop out more, So I just got my hair cut today. I'm gonna show you what my hair looking like real quick. Don't mind that I got a little hair bump, if y'all seen that. Nothing too major, I got it cut down with a 2, but it looked like a 1 because I had them go, it was like a lower 2. Like, it was a 2, but the guard, some guards are different for different clippers. So I just had them cut it real low because my birthday is 4 days away. My birthday is on April 22nd. I will be dropping a video on Easter Sunday. So y'all can, go tell me happy birthday on that video, or you can tell me happy birthday on this video. You can say it early. But my birthday on the 22nd, on Monday, man. I just wanted to let y'all know that, I'm gonna be turning. No, I'm just joking. I'm gonna be turning 20, man. I know I'm young. I know I look old, but I might, I'm young though. But basically, I'm about to show y'all how to basically make your hair look more defined. Things that you may need to make your hair look more real defined and just real nice is something like this right here. This works really well in the head. That right there works really well for the hair, man. Y'all already know. Y'all seen me use this in multiple videos. Y'all can go check out multiple of my videos seeing me use this more deep in details on how to use it, what it's used for, and when to use it. That's another thing that helps out with your hair a lot is a curl enhancement smoothie. This really enhances the curl. I feel it works really good for coarse hair wavers because sometimes you may be mixed with stuff. Even though you my skin color, you could still be mixed with something, or you could be a different skin color and mixed with something else. So I'm mixed with a little bit of Mexican, a little bit of Jamaican, just a little bit. But that's what makes my hair start off already curly. That's why my hair is like it is right now. Some people's hair may be straight, and you got to get it curly. That's where this curl enhancement comes in, and you can get your hair to just be more. And enhances the curls and activate them. But the only thing that's gonna really make it work is if you sit in there and you brushing. You gotta brush. Once you put this in, you gotta brush. So I got videos on that y'all can watch on how to basically make your hair look more defined and just pop out more with that. Also using the plastic bag like I told y'all. And another tip to go to on basically, I use this on all my wave videos. I use this on every last video you probably ever watched from me. I use this when I'm out. Every picture you ever seen, you done seen this in my hair. This is what is in my hair to make my waves pop and give it that shine, to be on top wavers, to be on these wave pages, just to be popping on getting likes and people liking my waves and commenting, and for y'all to even just mess with me the way y'all do. And it'll be this product right here. It'll be this olive oil bottle right here, man. This olive oil bottle works wonders for a coarse hair waver. Not only for a coarse hair waver, it works wonders for a medium hair texture. Not only for a medium hair texture, it works wonders for a straight hair waver, man. This is an all-around product. Also, other things that you need that I use to make my hair look more defined and just pop and give that more healthier, sexier look. Yes, I said sexier. It'll have you blue facing with the females. You already know. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Now, I know y'all about to be like, my dude, I'm sick of you showing this. I'm sick of you showing. I'm gonna keep showing it because honestly, whether it got a name on it or not, I can care less if the bottle didn't even have a label. If the bottle didn't even have nothing on it. It was just an all black bottle. I'ma tell y'all, still go get that. Cause I use it and it helped my waves look good. And it helped me look good with the waves, you know? Helped me look good with my blue face, you feel me? Y'all already know what I'm gonna show y'all, man. Now, unfortunately, man, my butter is missing in action. I don't know where it's at, man. I gotta clean my room. It's missing in action, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I got my moisturizer though. I can keep my hair moisturized. You feel me? Keep it moisturized. Keep it moisturized all day long. But I don't got no damn butter. And another thing to help with your crown. Now I know my crown may be out of place because I just got my hair cut. And I ain't really, you know, hopped in the mirror yet. It's this brush right here, a curve brush. You get you a medium hard, or either a regular medium of a curve brush that will help with your crown. It will help make your crown way better. Or you could do other methods that will help your crown get way better, which is with like a toothbrush or something like that, you know. But this right here really real good with my crown. I got my crown really closed up when I actually, you know, I'm not sure how I look right now because I don't have my mirror with me because I wasn't planning on doing no big brush session or nothing like that with y'all. I just wanted to talk to y'all and chop it up with y'all and let y'all know things that I use to get my hair really defined and just chop it up with y'all. But, you know, I came across the plastic bag though, found where it was hiding at. I need to find where my butter hiding at or I'm gonna lose my mind. But plastic bag, man, you know, that always helps, man. Y'all know that's always what lays my hair down. Every video, always using the plastic bag. Another way, you know, always using that plastic bag. I can't even talk to y'all, bro, because I'm just still thinking in the back of my mind. I don't know where my butter is, bro, and that was like half a bottle, and I'm finna lose my mind. I'm really finna lose my mind, bro. Like, I'm finna lose it. I'm finna really go on a wave hunt in this house. I'm the only one in this house with waves, and I'm lost some stuff that goes for my waves. It's getting me hot. It's getting me bothered. I can't even talk right. I said bothered. I said, what? It's getting me bothered. What is bothered? Bothered. That's how you know I'm getting pissed. Man, I'm really finna be sick out here, bro. I can't. I'm sick, bro. I can only moisturize my hair. I can't block and seal it. I can't do nothing without my... Spam something in the comments, man. I lost my butter. I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. Put the prayer hands. Pray for me. Hope I find this butter. Cause if I don't find this butter, I'm gonna have to get another one, man. Cause I gotta get another one. I just can't go without it, bro. Look, I'm losing my mind. I'm about to brush my hair with a hard brush. Get out of here, man. Still sick about that. But anyway, man, you know, y'all make sure I get a video, like, comment, subscribe. Another way you can also do that, I forgot to throw in, is by combing, man. That's how you get your connections. That's how you make your hair, you know. You comb, put your product in, you brush, you lay it down, you put the wave cap on. Wake up tomorrow, your waves gonna be more deeper. They're gonna look more defined. They're gonna be popping out more. You feel me? And a quick little tutorial I do when I normally take off my rag when I'm in public somewhere. And I don't want to really brush my hair because sometimes I may be woofing and your hair might, you know, start coming up. So what I do is I do little quick love taps, you know. Not too much of a quick brush session because you should have been got your brush session in at home. So what I do is I just hit my taper up. You know, little love taps, you know. To get that little do-rag line off, you know. It still be a do-rag line even though you spread out your do-rag. You know, get that little, feel me, around the edges, you know. Kind of like how the females do with their edges, no homo. You know, do your edges, you know. Do your tapering. That's pretty much, that's what I do, you know. You know. Just like that. Oh, and the front hairline. Sometimes you may be woofing, your hairline may be a little off. Just hit it a little bit. But most of the time I don't really hit the hairline because I know that that's going to start poking up. So I just hit, you know, little side, little love taps. But anyway, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment down below Let me know what you thought about this video. Let me know if it helped you out in any way, motivated you, and all that. You know, it's being boy Rico the Waver. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Gang.